Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will explain one of the technical indicators in the Sentiment Trader Backtest Engine version 2.0, the psychological line indicator, and demonstrate how to use the indicator to create backtesting. The psychological line indicator is a type of energy and rise-fall indicator that measures the market sentiment and popularity. It calculates the percentage of days that the stock price or index rises over a period of time, reflecting the investor's psychological endurance and willingness to buy or sell. We can choose 8 days as the statistical period, and if the stock price rises for 5 days and falls for 3 days in these 8 days, then the value of the psychological line indicator is 5 divided by 8 times 100, which is 62.5. The psychological line indicator ranges from 0 to 100. When the PSY is above 80, it indicates that the market is bullish and may show an upward trend. When the PSY is below 20, it indicates that the market is bearish and may show a downward trend. This is a simple trend-following strategy. We can use the new version of Sentiment Trader's Backtesting Engine version 2.0 to simulate trading performance based on historical data. Now, we move on to setting up the backtest. Let's get started by selecting SPX as our symbol. Then, to make the test more realistic for real-time trading, change the trade price to next open and change the backtest period to 20-year. This means we will long SPX at the opening price of the next day over the past 20 years when the entry conditions are met. After that, you have the option to either customize the name of your backtest or keep the default one provided. Under Entry Criteria, click on the Type drop-down menu and select Technical Indicator. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, search for and select Psychological Line, and then choose Cross Above 80. Under Exit Criteria, set the time in market to 21 bars. This means that we will buy when the psychological line indicator rises to 80, we will sell when the holding time reaches 21 bars. Our purpose is to capture the market's upward trend. Since the default period of the psychological line indicator is 20 days, we need to adjust the period by selecting the psychological line indicator on our chart and clicking the settings icon. Now we change the period to 8 days. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. In the Summary tab, you'll find an overview of the backtest results. The Trades tab will give you detailed information on each trade. And if you're interested in seeing trade outcomes for various exit times, check out the Exit with Default Time in Market tab. You can also visualize and interpret all this data with the help of various charts. You have learned how to use the backtest engine to recreate the backtest of psychological line. This is a powerful tool that can help you improve your trading skills. I encourage you to try it out for yourself and see what you can discover. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.